You know what time it is? It's Oyingbo market o'clock. I'm apprehensive going to this market. This is my first time going there after the serious hike in the prices of goods and services in early 2024 in Nigeria. I don't even know the current prices of food items. Imagine going to the market without having any idea of how much what you are buying goes for. How do I even know when someone is cheating me? Follow me, let's find out together. As always, to make the most of this market, I make sure I am at the market before daylight. It's 6 a.m. now. Let's see how long I will spend at this market. I make my way straight to my egusi, ogbono, pepper, gari beans customer. They sell a lot of things here. I can buy about half of the things I need from this one stall. Happy New Year. Oh my God, East. What's the bag on? Spain. Okay, go on. They haven't got medicine. Oh, bono. One Derica, 9,000. 9,000. Okay, it's not 9,500. It's not 9,000. Native. Okay, but that great. Here. So one painter was there going. What's 8,000? Okay, for 5,000. This country. It's not being sick. You're getting 8,000. Okay, 7,000. Okay, but get it here. Hey, why is that one? Carry a gun. I bet you know where Muta Yoruba. I shop at you've been a lake, you've done a Lagos. Okay.
I thought I can't go more than 10 years now.
But I want to go more than that. How much have I here now? I thought maybe Muta Yoruba, I can judge.
Ah, my birthday is this. You can't do Christmas for us.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Alhaja. You're bubbling, eh? See, as you're shining. I know shine rich like you. I know carry anything.
You put your nose mask, I recognize you.
Ah, you recognize me even with my nose mask.
Yes, I recognize you.
Alhaja, please give me basket, eh? I want run come out. I don't want waste time at all. How is they sell? For here.
For you.
This one?
It is 4,001.
4,001 for one wrap. Now your grandchild did it.
My neighbor.
Okay. Now wow.
Let me carry back, must collect something from me today.
They collect something from me all the time now.
Today I go collect something. Don't the only market where you want back.
Alhaja.
You no change.
This one na 4,000. I no change.
You no change.
I no change.
You come long the pass before.
Long pass. Alhaja, don't kill me with laughter.
Let me do handbag if you go abeg.
This thing used to be 1,000, no?
No, 2,000 before.
No, before something come bad. Now 2,000.
Everything be now.
I know.
Everything is too expensive. Especially this our Nigeria, no go help us. Now they enjoy for that place. That place is better than
At
here.
least, yeah, that place is better than here. I must say, yeah. The suffering in Nigeria, yeah, you cannot, yeah, it's true.
Only God make you help us.
I want like 10. Count them again. I don't count. I don't know what thing I dey count again. Alhaja, where those small ones? Why they call chin chin? Where they like chin chin? Those ones. Now you get them, no? Bring them, make I see.
This one don't pass. Now 2,001. 200 and there on top. This market don't tire person.
No. Leave them. 11, yeah. Give me that one. No, no be small one. The one waiting for big packet.
Yeah, little I'm flesh.
Now your own, no? 12,000.
Yeah, little. Man, no more flesh. This one 12,000. That one 20,000.
Now one.
Money 20. This one 20,000.
20,000, this one.
No. This one fine. This one, my mother just tired. I even quarrel with him.
12,000. Yeah.
How many?
One, only one.
This one 3,000 last.
Hey. I don't buy finish, so I waiting. I won't buy with this.
57,001.
Yeah. Sitting in this polythene bag, 57,100.
I know that I don't even call and make no video me.
Hey,
But that video
because that one what I
give
do.
me that
Oh, you see,
blow, everybody.
you see,
And
Elijah.
Even
your daughter comment for the video.
my daughter see am say mommy, this woman get followers yo. That's why I did not say anything.
Every time they beg you, make I film you, make I put you.
But you still favor me, that video.
You go favor you.
Outside people just dey find me come.
I'm telling you.
Na this Alaja, na
Are
this
you?
Alaja, na this Alaja.
Because if they see only
my daughter
stop
come add my number under it.
yeah.
Come make me get plenty
Yeah.
customer. That's why I did not say
You don't
should
follow.
not video me.
For years, she refused to appear on my video.
But that video,
But that day, first time, because she was going to the mosque, she was looking bang. And she allowed me to
I'm very happy too. This is New Year 2025.
yes,
To
sir.
be our year by God's grace.
Amen. 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 You go sell market more.
Amen.
Amen. Crayfish, how much?
10,000 man.
Painter.
10,000 paper.
This painter is not full, oh.
This one, I will fill it now.
Bring it, let me see.
How much do I do? This big one now.
Hey, this one, wait, this one not complete, oh.
But this one is big one. Let me bring it.
No. You don't cut them, the rings not complete.
This one is big one. I'll fix it now.
See this one, they don't cut the hair. They cut our hair. How many rings?
Yeah,
Yes.
this one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 4.
Eh. So, Mama don't beg. So 10,000 last.
Yes.
See her face. She's beside Alahaja. See her here. What will be your name? Tokpe. She's just sitting in front of Alahaja's shop. Oh, yeah, put 2 painter for me. You don't sort this crayfish.
Yes.
Hey. No. Bring from top. I don't want to sort. I won't grind them now, eh?
Okay, no problem.
Make you know they hang them. 10,000 naira crayfish. Hey. Something that we used to buy 2.5. And we got a price there. You're hanging this thing too much. You're hanging too much, eh? I know price the market and you still come the hang them like this.
That's why I don't give it to
Put another one.
Give me that rubber.
Madam, make you know the build skyscraper here. Hey, see holes inside. You know they see this thing, eh? Wait it. No, you got people where you get where they grind my egusi already. They go grind them there. Ego neighbor, huh? Ah, wow. Shotande di Ochabiko. They saw. What do you do? Fuck and cash, Acha. When we see osisi anu. What is osisi amaka wait? Nyamo nka 3,000 achomu.
Ambopia ampulosia.
Mba wona mbopo just which one? Cause osisi ayi na eti you wait. Okay, my newspaper. I don't go I go no go in here far back. One of my sister. I know they a chop go up kita.
Yeah, fire.
Ka fam.
Ba fire ya sister. Ewe kala mo e free so.
Mba o.
Owe ke the team na pe.
Na YouTube. Aya bum Flo.
Man na bom na phone. Na bo fire na YouTube.
How the go amana? I feel no go. We take the video kiti ya mama ogun.
I don't do.
Then madam na label si se ba okwe.
Which one?
Eh?
They can do before Crayfish.
Oh, Crayfish ko osisa. Oh, osisa ko na ele. Obo hia na ele osisa. No ye na ele osisa ama mi iku ye no. Oh, madam na label osisa before. Other madam osisa we here before. Now you. Now you. You dey sell osisa far back, no? Oh, go on. I know you they tell me I know your face now. And don't go on. Each up go up. That day in a color you say send the yellow to Dubai and all those.
Oh, he's a matter of gonna try Hana Chayin.
Can I check in?
Because it's Hana Chayin.
Makagin. Mama maybe. Mama maybe I'm going to depend there boy naga. Even naga te hanga. And the kitchen now here Ilu chose work got very fresh. 3 pieces. Meven. If I go see reduce now, na size.
After you come back, yeah.
Which kind of snail be this? I never see this kind. Water snail. Never see this type before. Ngolo, okay. But the Ngolo I know is small ones. For Port Harcourt. This is my first time seeing the big one.
This is the big one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
The small ones. I have small ones.
You can go again now. Us no more wine. More wine. More God they go.
I'm showing something concerning fashion. Do you know what they call cruise leaf? Do you know what
We
they
never
call
buy anything. We
cruise
go
leaf?
buy yam there. But we know I know see yam.
Please. You don't know what they call
No.
cruise leaf.
And I bought vegetable here. I don't make it. I think say that the young people there here, but we know if it's so we not buy anything. Check.
I don't stop
Check. We not buy anything. We not buy anything. I'm telling you. Now me run because the place is far. I say make I they go back.
No, buy anything. We use kaya pass.
Thank you.
I will be the medicine. So see, I'm a demon. Please, only these people don't follow my I will be.
Come. I want to buy you right here. Mama, good morning. Where I go buy you, sister? Eh. Inside this place. Come. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Say you know now. Hey. Lolo. Hey, go. Where they go now? It's outside. Hey, we go enter. Inside. So where? Where? This woman. But we can follow that side because I won't collect my stuff there. Eh? I want fresh one. This one. Will I say something bite and see? Fresh one, no water. Like this quantity, how much? 1,000. Make sure the one where something bite no day, madam. You tell suya spice, yeah? Now for suya be that. How much one derica? 1,300. 6,000. Hey. Derica. Suya pepper. Madre mia. This is why they buy 1,000 before. What? You get the time last year. Last year, 1,200. Now what time they buy? Derica. For suya pepper. Last year. 1,000 or 1,200, I tell you. Put one derica suya pepper for me. Hey, okay, be like say you never open market, eh? Now I dey here, you dey open market. You dey waste too much time. Be fast. I won't come out from this market before everybody come here. Pepper, they pepper me. See my nose now. I cover my nose. No, you're not the master person. Now only you where they sell them, you go master. No, you know go master me never. Waiting. You want make a test? No, don't worry. Put PC. Put them as PC side. That's not tested. Malon is never can test pepper. No. Don't worry, I trust you. If you not good, when I come back again, I go fight you.
No, if you go buy two, I don't say if you.
No, only one. I get some. I just won't buy one.
If you go buy one, that's the day you go keep buy two.
Don't worry, I just sabi where the day. I go buy more. I go buy more later. If it's good.
Now go back now. Go back now.
Mommy, how much? 1,500. Put 2 for me. Put this one. This one and this one. I hope say they're good on that. I go see them. Hey. Put on for another plastic, madam. You don't, that one don't full now. You know, go container. You go tear. You dey here, but wait. Wait, make I buy fish.
You check it first.
I go check here, I'm here. Wait. Oh, sorry.
Check it up.
Madam, how you dey sell yam? For here? 17. 15 last. What of this place? How much last? Where the boy now? Okay. You where they quarrel me? You know say you dey quarrel me. You know remember me. I say you dey quarrel me and my sister. You know remember Amaka, my sister. Eh? You dey quarrel me now. Now you dey call me. Oh, yeah, come and give me the ones where no, where something no bite. Make it a select. The ones way smooth, eh? Hey, that one, you be like say something bite them.
Nothing there, mama. See the one where no.
Oh yeah, give me the one where no get command now.
Give yam where no be.
I don't want this one, change it. I don't like this shape of yam. See the head big like hammer.
I will move it now.
No, this side.
Nothing do am. Mommy, now correct yam.
Now by choice now, I know one time. The head they like hammer. This one be like say something bite am.
Nothing bite am. If you see am where something bite, now you go even reject am. Yeah.
No. No, I want yam where they slim, tall, like this one, like me.
Oh yeah, gashina mana. Na pe bago.
Oh, you be outside person. Gashina mana.
Yeah, see this one, man. This size? Yeah. 2,000. This one, man, fine.
Oh yeah, you don't do 5. Now 5 I want. Come on, this one. Be like saying I do. Now the one where something bite. This one, don't. Okay, yeah. Wait. Leave you people and travel. What of your daddy? The two of them. So only you is taking care of the house. You're her other. Eh? Why did you leave your children and go to the east? Eh? I came here and they said that you went to the east. Eh? Explain to her.
Oh, Auntie Chinyere.
That's what happened, but why?
Mendi kapuka. Mommy, emego mi okwata di afugia 700 kan mezi.
Ana me select ego ni.
Mommy me tukwa kwose no wish no neba.
O man no east no there ba. Gi go je east ma o jare gba Christmas.
On Sunday ka ha je just ha no chalo bele ba.
Ka ha no chalo bele ha o hapu ge ba. So you go in do na anya ge nwa. Now wow, that's good. Good girl. Ego nekwa nukwu?
Kano, I will take 227.
2,700 ofu azụ. Hey, can I select go the first before nkwe one?
Okay, ma.
Now wow.
Must be go there, there.
So nweta azụ at 10 or 27,000. Hey. This country self. This country will not kill person. I'm telling you. This country will not kill person. How are people surviving, eh? Who want to enjoy?
At least 9 make better talk.
Oh, better on Kunu because it's here go get the there now. He's too smart. Now wow. Hey, think I'm gonna ask you Jesse. Nah, go chago kwam. 27,000. What way go to come on me get a lesson? 25, so 25,000. Hey, how do you wear Bunabo? What with the boy book? Oh, 30,000. Hey, nah, eh. How do you wear Bunabo? Dear. It looks beautiful, but is it tasty?
Yes, ma'am. I just was. Also, that center bone here. Only this center bone. You wear for her, all of them. You wear fish here.
I'm going to go. I like Jago. I thought I was told. It can't you better in that taste, yeah, but.
Hey, Julia, show people, so now mama.
Aputagum. I'm going to kill Bakota. Where is my pepper? See this pepper. My God. I dey comot the head because the head get something for there where they like sand. But you fit comot all of them. Where we go dey? Bring am somewhere where both of us go dey pick am. Make I dey help because I wan do this thing quick. My porter is helping me pick the crayfish. The crayfish is quite clean, so it didn't take us that long to do that. They have already ground my egusi and ogbono and spread them out to air them.
Leave am.
They also ground the pepper.
No touch, be touch. You don't do this kind of work before.
Eh?
You don't do this kind of work before.
Yes, now.
Yes, now.
Mommy.
You don't do them before.
This is the first time. Like every time I come here, the machine will be running non-stop. Hey, I don't know how you people can still hear something. See my market: beans, garri, pepper, egusi and ogbono. Bako. Egusi 2 penta. Ogbono half penta.
635.
Okay. Ose 2 derica.
6,000.
Beans
15,000.
2 derica. 15,000. Then garri 3.
That's 6,800.
60.
63,800.
Okay, 63,800. Those 3 bags. Abaluma for 1,000. Hey, but it looks good for you. Give me 2,000. Hey, for 1,000. Hey, I'm on my way to the car now. That's my porter walking ahead. All done with Oyingbo market. Now it's 9:07 a.m. 3 good hours at Oyingbo market. Time flies when you are at this market. But to be honest, it didn't feel like I spent that long at all. I am now on my way to pick up my washed bitter leaves at Aguda market. The worst thing about Onugbu achaha it in a freezer. I'll put that from freezer or kanjo. And the years are hot for me.
I try my best.
You try.
So yesterday I don't know.
Yeah, they go say so. Okay. Yeah, ocha. So yeah, kita. You go next day.
Oh,
12,000.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you imagine? This country, Moto Diaba, don't worry, maybe like that, but Diaba. I used the opportunity to do some Nigerian grocery shopping at the same market. So this one, how much? 3,000. This one. And you say it's only this one you have. This Aboniki, how much? Aboniki.
Aboniki is 700. Rob is 800.
Rob 800. Give me the Indomie.
The small type of this on the plastic, but this one is
400. 400. Oh, okay, we have container, please. We are trying to reduce it. Give me the Indomie. Look at all these shops here that are closed, and he's talking about the fact that it's because of
the market are not like before.
no market. People are not selling. Market is not moving, so people are not keen to go because normally it's past 10 now. They're supposed to be open. Hi.
You see that when it's down like 12, 11, that's when
they will start coming. So this Indomie is how much?
It's 9. It's 10 by giving 8.
You're giving me wholesale price.
Giving me wholesale price.
Okay. That's it. No.
Oh.
It's only pig milk. I don't know if these people will allow this thing.
Is it
Give me this one. Give me the
crate?
Full cream. Not this one is pig filled.
It's pig filled. You see. Mama, you know how much is that? Tin film full cream.
How much is it now?
The last time we sold it was I think 20,000, but I don't have it.
Like one tin is how much?
That's all that. Picola, full cream. We don't sell.
You don't sell one. Okay. Anyway, add this one. You have POS, no? Because I don't have cash again.
Do you want the refill?
The refill of what?
Pig, full cream.
What do you mean by refill? No, your powder. You're talking about powder. No, there is liquid I want. I don't want powder. Unless you, give me the refill. Give me the refill powder.
We have tin on it.
You have tin?
Powder, tin.
You don't have the refill?
I have the refill.
Give me the refill.
Is it this?
Because my daughter likes taking that.
The big one.
So it's too big. This country.
Now stand.
Ricky's store, Aguda. Come to Ricky's store and buy. Ricky na Bambo. This one is okay. Oh yeah, add. 10:20 a.m. I am on my way home to continue with the prep. No rest for this Niger traveler.